Take a ride in the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, wheel covers, luggage rack, outside temperature gauge, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.